How to limit the amount of sensitive content you see on Instagram from accounts you don't follow. If you feel that Instagram is showing you too much sensitive content that you don't want to see, stay with us until the end of the video and learn how to change that. Open the Instagram app. Click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, click on the Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down a bit. In the What You See section, click on Suggested Content. To manage sensitive content, we will choose the Sensitive Content option, which allows us to control the amount of sensitive content we see from accounts we don't follow. By selecting the More option, you will be shown more sensitive content that some people don't want to see, but you will still see content from friends, family, and other accounts you follow. The standard option includes showing some content about topics that some people don't want to see. Third option is the Less option. Most of the sensitive content will be hidden from you and will not be displayed to you. We will choose the Less option by clicking Confirm, which provides the least amount of sensitive content. This setting also applies to Threads. We hope this tutorial helps you. Follow us and stay up to date with all the latest updates.